Hello, good day. This is task number 3 on the blog, the answer to it. On our blog, we drop tags every week. Last week, we dropped some tags. This is task number 3. We're providing the answer to this task. The question is we are given two dictionaries, one for prices, the other dictionary for quantity, having the same keys, but the values are different. In the prices dictionary, we have the values of the keys as the amount for that commodity, for that product. While in the quantity dictionary, the values are the quantity that are bought for that particular product. So we're asked to find how much was spent on product with a price of less than 5. I will explain this before I proceed to and display how I solved it for you. You see that the first thing I did, I have to filter from my price dictionary. I have to make a new dictionary, which I call item price, which consists of the prices that are greater, the products that are greater or less than 5. Then I did a list comprehension for me to multiply the quantity and the price to get the amount that was spent for that particular product. So I go this way, I copy out my dictionaries, go to my Python shell for us to see it. I go to my Python shell and I drop it on the Python shell. That's my prices dictionary, and this is my dictionary for quantity. So the first thing I have to do, I say item price. Remember, we are going through which dictionary are you going to find the items, the products that have price of 5 or equal to or greater than 5. We are going to the price dictionary. I want to get the items. Hmm? So remember, we'll have to put it in the form of a list. Have to put it in a form of a list. In so doing, it will return the list of tuples for you, a list of tuples for you. So I put it in a list, uh, gold, and in the list of tuple, I'll have two things, which are for key, for key, then value hmm, in this. So what do I want? I want the key being mapped to what? To the value. Now, but there's a condition. If I put the condition here, if value is greater than equal to 5. So when I do this, I have an error here. Oh, for in, please, I missed the keyword in. So I have this name price. The dictionary is price, it's not price. Sorry for that. So I have my item price. You see, it will give me a new dictionary that only have the item which the price is greater than or equal to 5. Then I want to find the amount spent. So I put my sum, and remember I'm going through a list comprehension. What am I going to do? Yes, I didn't answer the question. What am I going to do? So I will In this place, I'll use the new dictionary I found: item underscore price good dot items, and I'll put it in a list so that we have what? A list of tuple, a list of tuple, of which the list of tuple will give me what? Will give me the products. I can call it the products. So I'll do for products, products, product, and what? An amount in this. What do I need? What do I need? What do I need? Using the quantity dictionary, I'll only look for what? For the product, so that I'll get the quantity. So I'll use what? Quantity products. Sorry, quantity products multiplied by what? By price, item price products, item price products. So with this, we get the sum. I have a syntax error. Okay, okay. So my error comes from this. I forgot to put my parenthesis after the sum keyword. So my error here is dictionary object has no attribute item. So it ought to be items, please. Sorry for that. So we can see the amount spent will give us 50. So this is the amount spent for that, for products that are less than or equal to 5. Thank you very much for watching. Because of time, in the next video, you see how we did the second one, which is actually just the opposite, changing the conditions. Thank you. Please do subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed, and also like the video, comment your observation, what should be done, what should not be done in the video, and kindly share the videos to your friends. Thank you very much for watching, and have a nice weekend. Remember, when you are doing the second question, the number 2, to find the total amount spent on price product less than 5, you just change the condition here to less than 5, and you do everything the same way. Do have a nice time. Bye bye.